Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to demonstrate my Portaband stand that I made. Okay, this is my stand. When you're cutting vertically, you can cut like that, and then, just for example, you can cut something like this, and then horizontally, you just bring it back down. It's got a little stopper, so when it goes down, it stays vertically. Anyways, this thing here is roughly 11 inches by 18 by 3 inches. It's all aluminum construction. It's got a hinge over here in the back here. It's got a plug, so I plug in my Portaband. And then it's got the wire that plugs into the receptacle. And then it's got a foot pedal that operates it. So when you push the foot pedal, it turns on. Okay. It's got a little indicator light there for when it comes on. So that means, you got power. And that's about it. I made it out of aluminum, everything here, this and this. Okay, so this black knob here is for the block stop, which you undo it. You insert it into here. All right. And you tighten that up. And now it's solid. You can adjust it back here. And it's stopped. So what you can do is, say for example, you have multiple cuts. It goes there, stops, and you cut. Another one. And you could just keep cutting and cutting and adjust it whatever you want. Alright. So this one here will come as close as probably an inch away from the blade. That's it. So this is just a block stop, and it goes through this reinforced aluminum angle, and then I made this arm here to stop it from moving, and it goes right through the other side. That's it. And then you can just adjust it. That's it. So then when I put it away, I insert it into there, loosen that up, that's it. It's done. I can store it underneath the machine when I don't use it. Tighten that up. And that's it. Okay, so this is the pedal to turn it on and off. So just in case it gets stuck, you can just take your foot off the pedal and it stops automatically. It's a safety thing. Anyways, what I did to hold the trigger down, I just used a drywall screw. I insert it into there, and that holds the trigger down. So then when I'm using it, let's say on the field and I need to take the Portaband off, I got these two screws All I did is drill 2 holes here, and I tapped it with a 1/4-20. So that's just mounts on this hinge that goes back and forth. And what I did to balance it, this thing is hard to push, but once you have the saw, it makes it really easy. It's like a counterbalance hinge. So, and that's it. So it's got a plug that plugs in the saw into here. So if I want to take the saw and use it freehand, I have it there. When I need to do the stand, I'll just disconnect it from the receptacle. Roll this up like this. I could store this somewhere.